Welcome back, Tandem users, to our first quarterly feature update of 2025. In this video, we'll highlight key features and product updates that enhance ease of use when working with a digital twin. First up, we've released an updated Revit add-in to support Revit 2025. Click the link provided to download the latest installer from our help page. Starting off with smaller updates, we're excited to introduce Forge webhooks and event support within Tandem. To learn more, visit aps.autodesk.com. Additionally, users can share object selections with your team using a unique URL. Simply select the object in the Tandem viewer, copy the link from the Properties panel, and send it instantly, eliminating confusion and back-and-forth communication. Shifting focus to the Filter panel, when users hover the mouse over a Tandem category in the Filter panel, it highlights corresponding elements in the viewer. Additionally, in the Filter panel, users are notified of what elements have been manually hidden in the viewer. This notification can be seen at the bottom of the Filter panel, and users can clear further hidden elements from the view. We've also made improvements to the system's properties and have made key improvements to the system panel. Users can select a system directly from the systems list. This opens systems properties in the Properties panel, where you can classify and add properties just as users would do with assets and spaces. The editing tools in the systems property panel provides faster access to system updates, tolerance settings, and centerline connections, making it easier than ever to fine-tune your system. The Tandem team has also made updates to connections and streams. Historically, when users are working with shared parameters across multiple connections, mapping one of them will automatically apply the same configuration to all the others. However, this can create broken mappings when the payloads have different values. In Tandem, when a connection shares the same parameter and classification, but has a different payload, users can manually override the payload for the specific stream. This gives you more control over connection configurations, especially when dealing with inconsistent payload values. To override the mapping for a specific connection without affecting the others, users can simply adjust the settings individually and save a custom configuration where needed. Before we sign off, be sure to join our Insider Lounge, where we have recently launched 2 new beta features: creating and editing spaces and dashboarding. Click the link provided to become a beta tester and start providing feedback. These updates are designed to streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. Try them out today, and thanks for watching.